Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com, and in this video we're going to be doing another rapid fire question segment, answering all of your questions. This one is number 47. Let's get it. Alright, diving right into it. You already know all about these. We've almost done 50 of these things. That's crazy that I've done 50 videos dedicated to answering your questions. So be sure to subscribe and share these videos, comment on these videos if you have any questions or if you want to help people out and start some good engagement going on here. Alright, let's start this one off with ultimate_bound. It says, what would be better for two Xv3 15-inch subs, two JP23 version 2 strapped together, or a SALT-6? The SALT-6 is going to give you more performance there, hands down. Great amplifier. If you want another suggestion, Down for Sound JP63, you can look into that one as well. But JP63 or SALT-6, you'll be golden. Up next we have Daniel Pieria, butchering that name for sure. Maybe you can help me pronounce it when you see this comment. It says, what would be better to run two JP40 lithiums, or better to buy the supercharged bundle, which is the JP40 and JP630 power cap, to run my JP83 sub amp and JP 10.4 4-channel and JP 234 4-channel. Man, appreciate all the love and support on the Down for Sound products you're purchasing, and trusting that you're getting a great product and believing in it. So thank you so much, first of all, for that. You're kind of on, actually, in this situation, I would probably just do two JP40 lithium batteries, and that's going to give you more reserve, more power, where the super cap's going to give you that instantaneous burst power. But you could, I think, if you're trying to do either or, two JP40s or the combo, I would do two JP40s. And then in the future, if you wanted to, you could always add the JP630 in line with the JP40s. So that's what I would do. Up next we have Justin Dutchmaster. He says, I have a 320 amp alternator Big 4 upgrade, 120 amp hour headway lithium, 2-run 0-gauge wire on two 12-inch Xv3s on an 8K amp. Still getting voltage drop. What's my best option? Should I switch to yin longs at 12 volts or add some super caps? I don't know much about the headway lithium, like, to even comment on it, so I don't know if it's good or if it's bad or whatever. But if you have 120 amp hours and you're dropping that much with that kind of electrical, it's telling me that it's really not performing like it should. So yes, I would suggest getting yin longs. I know they work and they're powerful, as I use those in my Tahoe. So I would definitely suggest getting 3 banks of those, the yin longs that we have here. I think they're like just right at $400 for the 6-packs. So you could get 4 of those if you, 3 or 4 of those if you want to. Up next we have This and That 314. Says, how do you know how many amps your car amp will pull from your alternator? I want a high output alternator, but I don't know which to choose. 3000 watts system setup. And you can never have too much alternator power, especially if you plan on upgrading your amplifier in the future. Just go ahead and get a bigger alternator. With that being said, if you have a 3000 watt system, you could probably get about the 240 or 270. But if there's an option to get a bigger one, I've always been go more than not go enough. So I would get a 320 or 370, whatever the biggest one is, because at the end of the day, it's not a huge price difference, and you will have the best, and your system will love you for it. It will never hate you for having too good of electrical. And on the other side, if you don't have a good electrical, it will hate you for it, and you'll have amplifiers, failures, and all kinds of stuff. Alright, last but not least, we have Toga Man. It says, hey, I was wondering what JP amp you would recommend for two Memphis BRX 1244 wired to 1 or 4 ohms. It's an older set of subs that I have new. I was looking at your JP8 version 1.5. I think I actually looked the subs up. I didn't know anything about them. I looked it up just for you to see what the power rating was, and it says they're rated at 400 watts RMS, so I think the JP8 version 1.5 would be perfect for your situation. So that's going to conclude this frequently asked questions segment. If y'all need anything for audio, hit us up, downforsoundshop.com, home of the Down for Sound difference. Guaranteed lowest prices, fastest shipping, best customer service. We'll see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.